So in this video I'm gonna show you how to check maintenance info on your DJI ROMO S. What maintenance info is it tells you whether some things on your robot require some maintenance like cleaning or replacement, and in order to check it, click on the settings in the top right corner, then find your supply management. Now you'll see robot and base station. On robot you'll see map pad, side brush, high efficiency filter and roller brush. You can click on any of those in order to see how many percent remaining and whether you should how many hours left until replacement is needed. You can purchase it here and you can click on reset usage time when you actually replace that part. So as you can see right here, it is all shown. Then the base station also has the dust bag, the cleaning solution, as well as the base station washboard, but this one actually doesn't require replacement. You just need to maintain it by cleaning it. All the other ones require replacement after some time. So that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.